Hello mga ka-entrepreneur! Today, we are making our KMJ Pharmacy DI Eco Bag by Mika. Thanks, Mikay! So, the things needed are seal screen. So, ready to made namang seal screen by Cartagena Printing Shop. So, next is improvised chanelas, eco bag, and lastly, ang Tulku Textile Ink. Ganito lang talaga ang paggawa nito. Pahid lang. Pahid. So, pag konti na lang yung tulpo, magre-refill ka lang. Pahid. Pahid. So, kung nakikita mo na medyo filled na yung screen, yung printed screen, so, pwede mo na tanggalin. Presenting KMJ Pharmacy DI Eco Bag.